every shelter should also have a well-made cat net, so that if you need to use the net to catch a cat, you have it. You also want to make sure everyone knows where the cat nets are located and that they are stored properly. So this one comes in its own little bag, and so when you take the bag off, you have the net rolled up and you can unroll it. And I really like this net. It has a lot of great features. For one, it has a nice easy opener. Just slides down the handle, push forward to open, pull back to close. The other good feature of a good cat net is that the meshing is very tight. So it's not real wide meshing where the cat's limbs could get stuck. So this is nice, fine, tight meshing. The other reason I like this particular net is because it has a zipper on the bottom of the bag, so that once you have the cat in there, you can easily carefully grab the corner, open the zipper so that the cat comes out. So you don't have to mess with the opener once you get the cat where you want him to be. So it's a really nice net. So I encourage you to buy a good cat net. So now I want to talk to you about how to use the cat net. Okay? So if you have to catch a cat, the cat is acting fractiously or aggressively, and so you haven't been able to catch that cat with the other methods I talked about, with a towel, because it's not safe, because cats can still bite through the towel, or the box, because the cat just moved to a place where the box isn't going to be helpful. You can get yourself a net. Now, the important thing about using a net on a cat is to make sure the cat is stationary before you try to catch him. It's not like we're going to try to catch a cat who's flying through the air. That's just going to agitate the cat, get him more and more aroused and more aggressive. Wait till the cat settles somewhere, okay? And so let's say we have a cat who has now is loose in the room. He's up against the wall, but he's hissing at us. And so I'm going to show you how to use the net on a dummy cat, because it's not a very pleasant thing to do on a live cat, and shelter cats are already stressed enough. I don't need to stress one more to demonstrate how to use the net. So this particular net, when you open it, you see that it forms a nice oval loop. So the handle's flat, the opening is a nice oval loop. And so when you got a cat who's stationary, and the key is get this net low and just very calmly and slowly get it next to the cat and put it over the cat, okay? Now, unlike the dummy, the cat will most likely be covered completely, and now you have it flat on the floor, and the key now is to kind of pull that net towards you, because when you pull the net towards you, the kitty will continue to back up to get away from you, and hopefully get down farther into the pocket of the net. Of course, I had to help the stuffy get in there. Once the kitty's in the net, and you're sure there's no body parts sticking out, we then, before we even pick it up, still flat on the floor, we want to close that net. Now, before we pick this kitty up, while he's still on the floor, inside the net, you want to just softly, carefully roll the net so that when you pick him up, he's in a tighter pocket. Because what you don't want to do is have the cat swinging like this when you move him from one place to the other. So if you have the cat tight, he's going to stay calmer. And then again, another great feature of this net is once you get the kitty to the carrier or to his cage, you can then just simply, carefully, of course, get that corner and unzip the zipper so that the kitty just pops out. So that's how we use one of these nets. It's a very nice net. Just be humane with your netting. Again, you're not trying to catch butterflies. Wait till that cat is stationary. Approach slowly and smoothly. Get that over the cat. Pull it towards you cat should back up into the bag, close it before you pick it up, roll it to keep that cat tight as you walk it from one place to the other. If you have to go a great distance, cover it with a towel so that the cat is hidden behind the towel. That'll keep them calmer as well. So that's how we use this kind of catnet.